Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol KODK, Eastman Kodak Co. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, welcome back, and let's see what the charts have to say. So support was broken through, and it even broke through the 50-day moving average. You can quickly see how it hit new lows here of 929, and the bulls tried to level off and bring this back up to break through the 50-day moving average, but they were not able to. The bears quickly reappeared and leveled this off at 1030. So we're going to go ahead and move this to their new locations so we can see what is important for tomorrow. Very important stuff is that we're now below the 50-day moving average, and our resistance level is slightly below it. So the bulls are going to have to work real hard to go ahead and get themselves up to the 50-day moving average. Now, it leveled off at 1030. We're in bearish territory, so as long as we're below the 50-day moving average, we are in the bearish territory. Once we cross it, we're back into bullish territory, but for the bulls to go ahead and gain control, they do need to break through the first resistance level before this dip, and that's 1207. So I'd write that down to look at that number, not even just for tomorrow, but for the next coming days, according to how this stock reacts and what's going on. That's going to be a very important number. Now, let's zoom in and see our support levels and resistance. So support is 991. If that gets broken through, the bears are definitely dominating this, and I'd pay very close attention to what's going on. I want to emphasize that. Super important. What is going on with this stock? How is it reacting? Is it kind of hanging out? Could the bulls bring this back up, or is it falling down deeper into bearish territory? Now, the next support after that, which is the lowest point reached in the day, is 1928. So that's like almost a 70-cent difference that you'll have to definitely keep in mind, and very important for this stock. I mean, to be exact, it's a 63-cent difference, but if that gets broken through, two support levels have been broken through. Not just 991, but 928, and this will start to reach newer lows and getting pulled away from the 50-day moving average, and a downward direction definitely dominates it by the bears, and the bulls are going to have to load up on stocks to even bring this one back up. So super important. Now our 50-day moving average is 1099, and our resistance is 1096. So 1099 needs to be broken through by the bulls to get back into bullish territory. But before getting there, 1096 needs to be broken through so that the bulls can go ahead and turn that into a support. And from that moment forward, start to break new resistance levels and reach newer highs. So I want to emphasize how important it is for the bulls to break through this resistance, but not only break through it, but break through the 50-day moving average to get back up, turn it into support, and starts to work their way up to newer resistance levels. As always, if you feel inclined or encouraged to subscribe, please do so, but don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications so that you don't miss a single video that I post. Share us with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. At the end of this video, as I'm talking, there's going to be a pop-up video packed with great information for tomorrow on what's going to happen with the stocks and what's been going on in the previous weeks, and talks about a technique that I've been using for the last couple of months, using it to my advantage and taking advantage of the fact that it's there. A lot of investors have overlooked it or don't know much about it, or may have known but just weren't so sure about it, and I'm here to break it down. So as that video pops up, click on that video and check it out. Great information to definitely benefit from. Obviously, you got to do your own research and due diligence and go ahead and make your own rational decisions as investors. I'm not there to tell you guys to buy, hold, or sell, but there's some great enlightenment in that video. Don't miss it on any of it, excuse me, and click that video so you guys can receive that information as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.